look what I just caught.
Wow.
Keys to my new listing.
Yes, that's great. Hey, Kandi.
Hey, Dwight, how's it going? It's
Great.
good to see you today. So this is my new listing. This is the magnificent chef's kitchen. So check out this island. It's huge. You could put a whole buffet here. And then open those doors under there. Storage and organization combined. I love that. Have a great gas stove, nice vent hood, custom cabinets, all the appliances that you could ever need in this gorgeous kitchen. So another one of my favorite features of this listing is this massive shower. So you have 3 shower heads, you have 3 nozzles. Take a 360 tour of this shower.
Well, I'm not really grilling today, but if I were fishing on the Etowah River, I'd be catching them and cooking them on here. Check out this beautiful view. It's so private. And after I've had a long day fishing, I'll be watching the Georgia Bulldogs on this TV. Check out this massive barn. We call it a condo barn, really. It is 13 feet tall, it's 50 feet long and 28 feet wide, making a grand total of 1,400 square feet. Oh, what a wonderful day. Well, this is 395 Riverwalk in Dawsonville, Georgia. This is a wonderful home. We hope you can call it your place to call home.
So thanks for checking out our listing. I'm Kandi.
And I'm Dwight.
We are
your Real Home Team.
You can reach us at 678-878-5216 or
678-656-6764.